Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make money with just 100 naira. This is all you need to actually make this kind of money, right, that I'm making right here on my screen. So I've made over 737,000 naira, as you can see. Let me put this up. I've made over 737,000 naira with just 100 naira. So I'm going to be walking you guys through the whole process right now in this video. So I'll walk you through how to download this app, how to set up an account, and how to start saving and start earning on this app right now. So let's go to my screen, guys. Let's sign up. They will come over on your computer, and I'm going to do this step by step. So it's important that you stay with me to the very end of this video. To the very end, get your writing pad and take notes, right? Because this video might just be the video that will change your life in 2021. So the account has been created. So we have successfully created this account, right? You can continue setting it up for on this laptop, but I understand the fact that most of you are on mobile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my phone, download the app, and finish it up from the app, right? So that you see exactly how this thing works. You can actually continue from the laptop if you have a laptop, but I suspect that most of you are going to be on your phone. So let me just make it easy for you guys so that we are all on the same page. So let's go to my phone, guys. So the first thing we need to do is to come to Google Play Store right here, Google Play Store, and download the app. So okay, so I click on Play Store, it brings me right here. Then I come right here and search for Piggy Vest, Piggy Vest. This one, the number one, the first one that's showing Piggy Vest. So I'm just gonna click on this. Then I hit install. Right? So to install this app on the phone. So it's installing right now. As you guys can see right here, the installation is progressing. So I'm just going to wait for you to finish up. And if you're new to my channel, while this is happening, I want to encourage you to hit subscribe button and bell notification button so that when I drop awesome videos like this centered around making money online, YouTube will send a notification. Now, if you're getting value from this video, I want to encourage you to hit the like button on this video. Leave a comment in the comment section and just say thank you, Gerald. Or if there's something that's not clear, something I want me to make a video on, let me know in the comment section. And also consider sharing this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, whatever, right, so that they will benefit also. So this is done. So it shows us this open stuff right here. So I'm just going to click on open, right, and the app opens on my phone. So this is how simple it is. So what we're going to do right now is that we're already registered on our laptop, which you can do from your phone also. You can hit register on your phone, right, and fill out all this information. Just put phone number, everything, referral code. You put my phone number right here, just like you saw me do on the laptop, right, and you log in. So for the purpose of this, you already create an account on my laptop. So I'm just going to click on login right now, and I'm gonna log into this account. Right, so I'm going to log into this account that I already created. So I'm just going to log into the account. I'm just going to hit this, and you see, so it's logged in. The same interface you saw on my computer, that's what we're seeing right here on mobile. So it's pretty simple. So what we need to do is to start setting up our account. So we need to do this to-do list. We need to let me highlight this. We need to do this. Verify your email address. We need to add a BVN now. Tell us more about yourself. Security, add your debit and credit card. Then the next thing, you're going to receive a 1,000 naira bonus instantly. You're going to get 1,000 naira once you finish all these things. You're going to get 1,000 naira instantly. So I'm going to be guiding you through the whole process of actually getting these things done. Now, the first thing on our list is to verify our email address. So I hit verify, right, and send me a notification verification to my email address. I say yes, do that, send verification, right? So we just sent a verification link to your email address. Please click on this to instantly verify your email address. Great. So I'm just going to go to my email and look for this email that they said they have sent. So I'm just going to look for it. This is it right here. We are seeing that email. This is the email that they have sent. So I'm just going to hit this verification link. I hit the link right here, and it opens, and it says that email has been verified. Awesome, email verified. Please proceed to your dashboard, right? So I'm just going to go back to the app right here. I'm just going to go back to the app. And to refresh this, hit refresh. So email has been verified. So that one has disappeared. So the next thing is to add our BVN. So how to get your BVN is just go to your phone, the phone that you use to register for BVN, and dial *565*0#. That's the code showing on your screen right now. Just dial it on your phone with the phone that you have on your bank account, and it's going to give you your BVN and BVN. So I'm just going to put in my B. Okay, the code is right here. Text *565*0# send it, and your BVN is going to appear. So long as you have a bank account, you have a BVN. So I'm just going to put in the BVN right here. To confirm that this is your BVN, you will receive an automated phone call immediately with your verification code. Tap OK to proceed. Confirm. So okay, so we're waiting for that verification to happen. So we're just going to wait for a minute for that verification to happen. Then they're going to send me a verification code when they call. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put the verification code right here, right? Then I put my PiggyVest password right here and click on save BVN, and that's all I need to do. So I'm just going to wait for that call to come in, just like I said, for the verification to happen. So while we are waiting for that BVN verification, we can go ahead to the next one, which is tell us more about yourself. So I'm just going to hit gender male, year of birth 2002, income range estimate, you just choose anything basically, right? Whatever that is appropriate, you just choose it. So I'm just going to choose this as the income range. Relationship status, single. If you are married, you are divorced, whatever it is that you are, you choose it. Cutting, dating, blah blah blah. So I'm just going to choose single. Employment status, I'm a student, right? So you're a student, you choose a student, you work, you're employed, you're unemployed, you're self-employed, retired, whatever it is, you choose it. So I'm just going to choose student right now. Then I hit finish, right? Great. So tell us more about yourself is going to disappear when I hit refresh. So I just hit refresh for it to disappear. So that is done. So the next thing for us to do is to securely add our BVN, which is this, right? I'm going to tag this one next. So I hit securely add our debit card, not BVN, debit card. So I'm just going to put in debit card information. So I'm just going to do that right now. So you put in your credit card information. So I put in the credit card number. The next is the expiry date of the credit card. So which is the month and the year. Then CVV is the number behind the credit card. There's a 3-digit number behind your credit card. You just put it right here, right? Then your the PIN of your ATM, the PIN of your ATM, you put it right here. So I'm just going to put the PIN right here and click on pay, and I hit pay. Right, so it's rolling. So that is us. Okay, so he said that he has sent me a text, and you can see the text is here 042043. So I'm just going to that's the OTP. So I'm just going to put it right here 042043, and I hit verify. So they're verifying the card right now. So the card has been verified rather. Awesome. So when I hit refresh again, refresh right here, that security add debit card disappears, right? So the next thing that we need to do is to set up automatic savings. So this app basically is a savings app. So you can save anything from 100 naira to 10 million naira every month, however you want to do it, right? On my own account, I do 1.5 every day, right? They take 1.5 from my card every day. They take 1.5 from my card every day, but for this purpose, well, that's to do like 100 naira to try it out first. So I'm just going to set up automatic savings. So it's going to take 100 naira from my account every day, from my card every day, because I just added my card to it. So set up your auto save, right? 200 naira every day, 500 naira every day, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, right? Set a custom rule. So I'm just going to choose savings frequency daily, then amount to save per time 100 naira. 100 naira, take 100 naira every day from my card and save it for me, and I hit continue. Right, what time do I want them to take the money? I want them to take the money every 6 p.m. in the evening, or 4 p.m. let's say 5 p.m. in the evening. Funding source, my card, of course. Use my card. Start. Where do you want to start? I want to start now. I want to start tomorrow. I want to start tomorrow. Then I hit save piggy bank settings. Confirm. Right.
Okay, so this has been saved. So every day they're going to make a charge of 100 naira from my card, and they're going to save it for me. That's what Piggyverse is going to be doing for me right now. So I go back to the home page and I hit refresh again. You guys know where refresh is. This. So I'm just going to hit refresh again and hold on for a second, and you're going to see that turn on your Piggyverse. This has been taken care of. And our BVN is something that we still need to do. We can do it later, so it's taking a while. So, but I already show you guys how to do that. What you need to do is to click on add your BVN, then click on, type this on your phone, *565*0#. Send it from your phone. They're going to take 20 naira or so from your phone, and they're going to give you a BVN. So long as that number is number on your bank account, they're going to give you a BVN. Put your BVN right here and hit validate BVN. And once you hit it, it's going to verify, send you a phone. They're going to call you and give you a code. You put the code and put your password, and hit save and all that, and you're done. So that's basically how to do it. So with this, you are done, guys. You are done. And okay, so the next thing for you to do is to we're done with this, right? So every day they're going to take 100 naira from my account, from my card, and put it right here for me to help me save it. So another thing that you need to do is to come right here, this account, just hit account right here, right? Hit account right here. This is how to make money. This is how I made over 700,000 naira. I saved about 300,000. The other 470,000 naira is what I'm showing you guys right now. That's how I did it. So I'm just going to take this off. Then I come right here and come to where is it? Refer and earn 1,000 naira right here. So you just copy this and send this to your friend. Now start telling your friends about Piggyverse, and once they join Piggyverse, you're going to get 1,000 naira, right, instantly. Once you send this text to them and tell them to join Piggyverse, guide them on how to actually get started on Piggyverse and all that, and once they join Piggyverse, Piggyverse is going to give you 1,000 naira. Once they save at least 100 naira, you get 1,000 naira instantly, and you can withdraw that money immediately. Now Piggyverse helps you save your money, but it doesn't so that you don't have to withdraw every now and then. So anytime you want to withdraw your money, you can just come to withdraw funds right here. You just come right here. You know the steps. We came to accounts. Then from accounts, we hit withdraw funds right here, right? So hit withdraw funds, and you can withdraw your money. So right now I have 100 naira in my Piggyverse piggy bank balance. So I can withdraw this, right? I click on it, and it says withdraw. I can withdraw on the 31st of December 2020, right? So on that day, if I want to withdraw, I can just put in the amount I want to withdraw, but the minimum is 3,000 naira, which I don't have in my account right now. And you can add the bank account. That's another thing you can actually do right now. Add the bank account where you want to withdraw to. So let me go back and show you guys the step again. So from the home page, when you come to the home page, you go to accounts right here. So accounts, then you come to withdraw funds, right? I hit withdraw funds. Then I hit this place. I just click this place, piggy bank balance. I hit it, and it's opening right here. Then it says add your bank account. So add your bank account where you want to receive your money. Anytime you want to withdraw it, they will pay it into that bank account. Anytime you want to withdraw your money. So I hit it, and I put in my bank account number and the name of my bank right here, and it's going to select the bank, right? Any of these banks will work. So you just put it right here and complete the process. Once you complete it, and your bank account has been added, so you can actually withdraw your money into your bank account easily. That's exactly how it works. So this is very seamless. This is something that you can start doing right now. So once you have created your account and you have saved at least 100 naira by adding your card and setting up that you should take 100 naira from your card every day, the next thing you need to do is to just come just like, oh, okay, cancel. The next thing you need to do is to come to accounts and hit refer and earn, which is this place, refer and earn 1,000 naira. So each person you refer is 1,000 naira. So you are not spending any money, but you just need 100 naira. They're going to put into your account, and you start referring your friend. So if you refer 10 persons, that's 10,000 naira. If you refer 50 persons, that's 50,000 naira. If you refer 100 persons, if you refer 1 million persons, that is 1 1,000 persons, that's a million naira. If you refer 1 million persons, that's a billion naira, guys. That's an easy way to actually make money online with just 100 naira. And anybody that has a phone and have internet access can actually do it. So just go and talk to your friends and get them to sign up just like you did, and you are going to be making a lot of money. Now, Piggyvest is actually a very trusted company. I've been using them for like the past 4 years, right? I've been saving with Piggyvest for the past 4 years. Now, I'm done with this account right now, so I'm just going to go back to my own account so that we can move around. I'm going to show you guys my personal success stories. So I'm just going to open Piggyvest here. This is Piggyvest. This is my own phone right now. So I'm just going to hit Piggyvest, right? So I've made a total savings of over, okay, it was 737. Some other person just signed up right now. Somebody I invited, and it has increased by 1,000 naira just right now, just before you guys. I didn't know it was like this. I just opened it and I'm seeing this right now. So I have 737,000 naira right here. And I'm sure I can see my history somewhere. Okay, this is my savings. You see that I have been, what I have saved is actually 321,000 right here. This is what I've saved. So the extra 404,000 are from people that I referred. You know, these two monies are from people that I referred. Right, that's how I made this money. It's 404 plus 13,000. Right, so these are people that I referred to Piggyvest, and they signed up, and I made over 400,000 naira, you know, with nothing, guys. So and if you come right here to Piggyvest and you go all the way down, you see referral earnings right here. I've made 417,000 naira from referral earnings alone. So if you come all the way down, you're going to see withdraw funds, my card settings, Piggyvest library. Everything is right here. Everything is right here, and it's so amazing. So I'm looking for my history of withdrawals. Let me see. I hope I know where to see that. Okay, see recent activities. I'm just going to click on this. So you see that every day they've been taking 1.5 from my account, which is what I said. I just created right now, I set it for 100 naira. So you can set 100, 200, 300, 500, 1,000, 10,000, you know, daily, weekly, whatever frequency that is okay for you. You can actually set that. So if I come, okay, I'm just going to take this off, come all the way down. I want to see my withdrawals. Okay, so all my activities, credited, 1515. I want to show you guys something real quick. 1,000. Okay, these are from referrals. The 1,000 are from referrals. 1.5 are things that I save every day, and you see I've been doing this for a very long time. This is my history. Right, so on my channel I actually try things out and they work for me, then I come and tell you exactly how to do it. Now if you look, you see this 10,000 naira right here. This is money I just got. I didn't have need for it, so I just saved it, you know, put in 10,000 naira there instantly. I took it from my card, right? So you can also do that. Okay, this is cost savings credited. This is something else. the same thing. I had 20,000 I wasn't using for anything. I just put it right here. This is 4,000 I wasn't using for anything. Just put it right here, you know. So I'm trying to see my withdrawals. Okay, yeah, these are withdrawals that I've done. I withdrew 9.5 at one point. 9 months ago I withdrew 9.5 and they debited me 500 naira, you know. Okay, I withdrew 76,000 naira right here. This was 11 months ago. So I've been using this for a very long time. So I'm not telling you to go and try something I've not done myself. This is still things that I've done myself. So this is another 67,000 that I withdrew right here. This was 1 year ago, right? So I've been using this for a very long time. So I understand how this thing works, and it has never failed me for a day. And sometimes, okay, I will do 94,000 naira right here again. You see? So this is amazing. You just come right here and you will see that, you know, you didn't even know that you have this amount of money. So Piggyvest is an amazing way to actually help you achieve two things. Help you save your money, one. Then two, it helps you make money, because when you refer people and they just save 100 naira, you get paid 1,000 naira, guys. Now that is amazing, right? Making over 1,000 naira with just 100 people putting 100 naira of their money. Nobody is losing at any point in time, you know. So this is exactly how to make money online with just 100 naira, guys. So if you've gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button again and notification button, right? And also leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what your challenges are, something that you didn't figure out get very well, and I'm going to elaborate on it some more, guys. Maybe in a subsequent video or my next video, or I'm even going to get your information and call you so I can guide you on exactly how to do this. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you.